Here he goes. There you go. Woo! Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, we're heading to the next event.
The Overland swap meet.
All right, let's go. Guys.
All right, good morning. We just came from Long Beach from finishing running a 10K or 6.2 miles. We're now here in the city of Westminster for the Overland swap meet or Overland swap, one of those. But anyways, here in front of us, look at all these awesome Overland off-road rigs here.
Look, he's vlogging right now while he's showing off his medal. We're here at another event, so he needs to let everyone know that he finished a run today.
Wow, there's a lot of cool builds here and a lot of cool stuff for sale. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. And let's go. We're here in a different event. We're now here at the Anaheim GardenWalk for Taste of Japan. We just finished running the 10K this morning. Then we went to Overland swap meet in Westminster. And we're now here in the city of Anaheim for the Taste of Japan.
Yeah, we're all over the place today.
All over the place. And this is it. This is our last event for today. So we're almost here entering the parking lot.
Right, we're here now. We have to pay for parking.
I think we do. All right, guys, we're here at Taste of Japan, and here are the first vendors that we see here. We have the Tokyo Street Food Lab. We have Pillow Talk. We have Yatai. And then we have all these stores here, and then we got some other vendors here that's selling jewelry. Some more vendors here. Oh, they got some cool toys there. We got some dollar vinyl stickers. We got some more vendors here. Oh, cool. We got some I think handmade products. JQ Paws. Oh, that's so cool. Some keychains right there. Homemade keychains. Here is the Anaheim GardenWalk. This is the entrance. And there's the street over there. We got Paris Baguette here. We got some other vendors here too. Here is the Taste of Japan stamp rally right there. So here's some cool mask for sale. Oh wow, for $10. That's so cool. And then here's some more of their homemade stuff here. Oh, that's so nice. The quilt bags and stuff. We got some bandanas here. We got some more vinyl stickers. Here's some more cool vendors here. Oh, cool. Japanese umbrella. Oh, that's some cool shirts. Some jewelry. Some more food vendors here. Let's see. Oh, they got some mochi crepe right there. And here's their store. We got some more food vendors here. Oh, wow. Freshly squeezed lemonade. Homemade lattes here at the Takoyaki. And here is their menu for that vendor there. And then we got another vendor here. They got some honey lemonade. They got some iced latte. Wow, this looks, oh, it's a Japanese coffee spot. Got some more vendors. Oh, wow, look at this cool handmade keychains. That's nice. We got some more jewelries here. Some more jewelries. Oh, they got a kimono pocket t-shirt. Oh, that's so cool. Nice. They got an $80 Obi bag right there. Oh, that's so cool. You can follow them and like them on their Instagram. Oh, they got some more shirts here for like $50. That's nice. They got some more stickers and jewelry. We got some cool keychains here. Here's some more cool Japanese t-shirt artwork. Oh, they got some Dragon Ball Z here. We got some Pokemon. We got some more cool artwork here. Oh, that's nice. Cool tote bag. Oh, wow. We got some nice dresses here. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at this kimono here. For $45. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we got some cool, flower stuff here. That's nice. Oh, cool. We got some anime pins here. Oh, that's nice. We got some more cool artwork. Hi. Oh, that's nice. And then we got some more vendors here. Oh, they're selling some premium matcha powder. We have the Hagihara tatami, the cool, like the rugs, furniture. They got the slippers, the mats. We got some more vendors here. Oh wow, look at that. That is so cool artwork right there. Wooden artwork. Oh, you could even get it custom made right here. Look at that. Oh wow, they got the machine and everything. There's their IG right there. All right, so we got some more vendors. Jewelry here. Oh, we got some calligraphy. Oh, that is so cool. Check out their calligraphy here. Oh, that's nice. We got some more vendors. So we got some more vendors here. They're selling some Japanese purses, some more clothes. So we got the Anaheim Angels here. Oh, on September 18th, they got the Japanese heritage. Oh, that's cool. Here, we'll go this way. Oh, that's nice. Hi. Oh, they got some cool hats. Hi. Good, good. Oh, wow. Do we sign up or we got a free Angels hat? That's so cool. Oh, wow. They got some knives right there. We got some drinks here. Oh, pins. Custom pins. We got some more food vendors here. Kokoro Cafe. Their matcha looks really good. So we're now here on this part of the garden walk and of the Taste of Japan. We got the DJ here. They got some cool kimonos here. That's so nice. Oh, this one's really nice. Oh, from Okayama, Japan. That one right there. Check out the dog. It has a kimono too. That is so cool. And then they even have some too for the kids. We got some more food vendors here. We got the Shake Yaki. We got the A5 Wagyu. Oh, I think we had this in the 626 market. They're really good. Daiko Kuya, the original noodle and rice bowl. So here's their menu here. Yeah, it does look good. Oh my gosh. And then we got the Kagura Tonkotsu restaurant. We got the Amami Ya. Oh, Japanese dessert. We got the SVR barbecue. We got the Kashiwa ramen. Ooh, they got some fried chicken here. And here is their menu up here. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. We got the Onigiri-san. Ooh, from Japan. We got some more vendors here. Look at their lights on how they're cooking it. And this is, oh, Honda Ya. Oh, we ate here in Tustin. This is really good. We got the buri chicken, Japanese fried chicken. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Kondo Sando, that looks good too. Here's their menu. And then we have the AJ Cafe. There's their menu up there. And then we have the Wagyu pizza. And then we have the Taco Chan. There's their menu up there. The crispy takoyaki. Kuramoto savory kakigori made with ice in Japan. And there's their menu up there. We have Dashi Works Japanese broth rice bowl. There's their menu up there. Wow, that looks good. This is Taste of Japan right here. We showed that we're following them on Instagram. Yeah. Oh damn, we got 3 char gels from Taste of Japan. They're having something here. Look at that, we got some samurai here. We have a samurai performance. Samurai! Oh.
Hey, how you guys? How you guys doing? Right? Oh, my buddy's here. Yeah,
We are now up here in the 3rd floor. I think 3rd floor, right? Mm-hmm. And they got more vendors up here. Oh, that's so cool. They got some homemade, handmade stuff here. They got some cool anime toys. Oh, we got some cool phone covers. Here's some cool purses. Oh, and here's some more cool handmade stuff here. All right, so we got some more vendors up here. We got this gloomy Oh, that's cool. That's nice. Here's some more jewelry. Oh, here's some cool stuff here. Oh, it's a butterfly exhibit. Oh, nice. That's so cool. The butterfly exhibit. Oh, there's the butterflies right there. Here is their beer garden, serving all their beers down there. We are going to try this, the Kuramoto Shavery, the kakigori made with ice in Japan. The flavor we are going to get is the matcha and hojicha. We got their ice matcha hojicha. Oh my gosh, this looks good. Okay, let's try it. Francis is going to taste it and see if it's good.
The matcha is really strong.
Oh wow, okay. This is probably the best shaved ice I've ever tasted, guys.
All right, guys.
All right, so that's it. This was pretty cool.
I know.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna head out and let's go.
Let's go.
Looking like a superfly disco. You can ride looking like a superfly disco.
Right, so after running the 10K run in Long Beach, we're here at Tiny's in South Coast Plaza.